Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use grill cleaning brick, updated. Start with a cool grill, remove grates, and clear loose ash and debris before you begin. Put on gloves, dampen the brick lightly, and work in short strokes along each bar to lift grime. Rinse or wipe residue, dry the grates, oil them lightly to prevent rust, and reassemble your grill for safe cooking. I like to prioritize safety and prep before working on a hot steel friend. Wear heat-resistant gloves and eye protection, and work outside or in a well-ventilated area to avoid fumes. Remove loose ash and check for delicate finishes before using the brick. Test a small, inconspicuous spot to ensure no damage, and set up a water bucket and towel to manage. Use the brick with the grain of the metal and apply steady strokes to lift, baked on grease without gouging. For thick deposits, let grates soak briefly in hot soapy water before scrubbing to loosen buildup. Keep the brick slightly damp to prevent dust and replace it when it crumbles. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely, then apply a thin layer of oil to protect the metal and maintain non-stick performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.